Hey guys, I'm back with another video from my addictive blogging channel, and we have seen that the Notify app has been a great app for the Amazfit Gts to many. From changing watch faces to some amazing tips and tricks we can do with this app in this smartwatch. So in this video I will be discussing about what are the best things we can do with the Notify app in Amazfit Gts to mini. So this video will be a sick video guys, as always, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So the first amazing trick which can be done in the Notify app for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is showing the notification which you will be receiving. This is an amazing trick because in the native app, which is the Zap app, you cannot see the notifications which you have received on the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So this is a great feature for the Amazfit Gts 2 Mini, that you will be able to see and read the notification which you will be receiving on the watch. The second awesome feature of the Notify app, which is a really great feature, is the anti-loss feature. So this feature you will get when you will be clicking on Tools section and scrolling down. With this feature, your smartwatch will be vibrating once the phone will be out of range. That means whenever your phone will not be on your pocket, the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini will vibrate and notify you that the phone is not in the range with the smartwatch. In that case, you will be able to know whether the phone has been lost or whether it is out of range. So this option in the Notify app is a great option because it helps your phone to be safe in the pocket and not getting stolen. The next feature, which is a great feature in the Notify app, is the phone battery low feature. If you are wearing the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini on your hand, you will be able to know whether your phone has a low battery if this option has been enabled. So you will get this option in the tools section if you scroll down, and there is a battery full option also and a battery low option also. So I will recommend you to keep both options activated because it is a great little feature which help you know that the phone battery is full or the phone battery is low. Especially keeps your phone being overcharged or going out of battery. So the next great feature in the Notify app for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is the VoIP calls. That is, you will receive the notification for the WhatsApp or Telegram calls also. So this option is available in the call section, and if you go to incoming call, you have to just turn on this VoIP calls, and this will enable you to get the notification if you are getting any call on WhatsApp or Telegram or other messenger platforms, which is a really great addition to the features which are there for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Next amazing thing which we can do with the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini and the Notify app is we can answer call directly from the smartwatch. So with the button mapping option, we can map any button in the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini to do a particular task, and that includes the answering call option. Also, we can enable the speakerphone to talk directly to the person on the other side on speaker. This is a great feature in the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and which can be unlocked with the help of Notify app. And also the next thing is we can set one-click reminders. So reminders like drinking water, take a break from your computers, we can configure this as per our needs, on which day the reminder will be there for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. We can do it all via this app. So it makes the process of setting reminder a lot easier than the native Zap app, and I will definitely recommend you to use the Notify app to set all the reminders for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. The next feature, which is a great feature, is the quick reply feature. There is no quick reply feature in the messages for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, but the Notify app helps us to do this with this simple option which is there. We need to just enable the option, and we can also add custom messages which we can send as per our needs via the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. The next useful feature which is there for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is we can see maps directly on the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini with the help of the Notify app. So what it does, it just puts a picture of the map on the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini and also give us some direction related vibrations, so it will help us to identify the exact direction where we want to go. This is a great little addition from the Notify app for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. I have already made a video on this, and if you want to see, I will leave a link in the description for this. And last but not the least, the Notify app helps you to install tons and tons of watch faces. Some of the watch faces you will not get in any other app, which is really great. And these watch faces are completely different from the Zap app, so you can go and check that out from the Notify app. So these are some of the best things you can do with the Notify app. It adds a lot of features to the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, which is really great, and I will recommend you all to use the Notify app with the Zap app, which is there for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.